Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the review video of the Kiwi K4 Boost battery strap as well as silicone cover. These are accessories for the Quest 3 and the Quest 3S. Let's check them out. The K4 Boost battery strap from Kiwi Design is an official MetaQuest verified product where what they've actually done is you actually take out the fabric original strap that comes with the Quest 3S and you can install this battery slash headrest or head strap here. And what this gives you is it actually gives you a 5300 milliamp hour battery, which extends your playtime by about 2 to 2.5 hours. It also makes the weight distribution a little bit better because now the center of gravity is a little more centered. And there's also this really handy one knob strap, which actually makes it really easy to fit different size heads in case you're sharing this with someone else. And finally, there is pass-through charging, which allows you to charge the device and the battery at the same time. Let's start with an unboxing. All right, so welcome to the unboxing and review of the Kiwi K4 Boost, which is a battery pack that attaches straight to your Meta Quest 3, as well as a silicone facial cover for the exact same device. So let's get started and see what we got. Starting first with the K4 Boost, it comes in a pretty simple box. This is part of the Design for Meta series. So this is designed and specifically for the Meta Quest 3. So we're just going to take a look at the back of the box here. And on the back, we've got some pretty normal stuff. This has a 5300 milliamp hours, so that's two 2650 cells. It's a rated capacity of 3005 volts at 2.4 amps with 20 watt hours. It also has pass-through charging, which is pretty cool because that means you don't have to unplug and replug this in. All you got to do is plug this into your Meta Quest 3S and then plug a charger into the K4 Boost in order to charge both at once. So pretty cool, and we'll take a look inside. All right, so opening up the box, we'll take a look at what we have inside. So pretty simple brown box here. We're going to open it up and see what we have inside. And we have I think this is a back strap. And I'll have to figure out how to assemble this later. What else do we have in here? We have a bunch of accessories. Oh, no accessories here. Just a warranty guide and then a user manual, which I probably will have to read to figure out how to attach this to the Quest 3S. And finally, we have the actual device. So I'm just going to open this up and take it out. There we go. Okay. Pretty fancy. So I'm going to put this together and see what we got, but first we'll take a look at the silicone facial cover as well. All right, this is the silicone facial cover. Again, it has that made for Meta logo here, which is just good. And then we'll take a look and see what we have inside the box. So on the inside, we have nothing else except for a user manual, probably for how to install it. So pretty run-of-the-mill, so we will set that up as well and take a look. And then finally, we have the actual facial cover itself, which I will remove and take a look here. All right, there we go. So this is the facial cover. So let's get that installed and we'll see how it works. So installing the strap was really easy because this entire thing actually pulls off, and then you basically pull it off and you snap these in, and then you snap the little face thing right here, which goes right into the strap, and you can adjust like so. And finally, the installation took me about 10 minutes. And of course, there's the silicone fabric face shield that goes over top of the foam face mask on the Oculus Quest 3S. And there's also a handy little charger that you can actually plug in, and you basically leave plugged in for good. And you can see that the battery indicator lights up. And you can see down here as well that there are 4 battery indicators to tell you how much battery is left in the 5300 milliamp hour battery on the back. and there's a foam pad as well. Flipping it over this way, you'll see that there is a USB-C port which charges both the 5300 milliamp hour battery as well as the Quest 3S. And finally, you'll see that it bends up to, let's say 45 degrees as well. So I've spent some time wearing this and using this, playing a lot of Fallout 4 VR, which has been pretty fun. Comfort-wise is quite comfortable. However, there are some parts that I don't like about this and some parts that I do. So I'm just going to go over that right now. With regards to the comfort, the center of gravity is better. So it's not so front heavy anymore. It's a little bit more centered. So that actually makes it more comfortable. This makes it very, very simple to tighten and loosen, which is much more convenient compared to the original MetaQuest strap. This is also quite easy to use. That being said, though, I don't know how long this fabric's going to hold up, depending how many times you remove it and put it on. And then the foam padding on the back is quite comfortable. That being said, I find that the fit of my face against the Oculus Quest 3S with this accessory is like ever slightly so worse than the original fabric strap. And I think because the fabric strap is soft, and because it's soft, it actually conforms to your face a little better, whereas this is hard plastic. This is hard plastic, tiny bit flexible, but not as flexible as cloth. And this is the only flexible part. So I think it actually conforms to your face a little bit more. It's a little bit more challenging in that respect. Overall, though, I'm very happy with the QE design strap. For $82, it gives you a better, more easy to use headrest. It also comes with a 5300 milliamp hour battery. Very easy to adjust, very easy to install, comes with pass-through charging, and overall it does increase the usability and the pleasure of using the Quest 3S as your VR device. So I do highly recommend it. Check it in the link down in the description below. Also, this foam or this silicone face cover as well, I'll have a link linked down there as well. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.